underestimated the storm a little too much. Oh. Waiting for Brody's gotta pee. Brody's gotta pee. His face, he just needs to go.
I know.
So bad.
I'm working on it.
The snow's coming back. He doesn't know what to do. Look at him. This dog is like, help me, please. Bro! It's like, help.
The snow against the side of my truck.
Send it to my phone.
Alright, so I kind of have some bad news. Last night, oh, my hair. Last night, the ducks passed away. From what I could figure out, they had, what's it called? What was it? I don't even remember. Bird disease, I think it was called, or something. But, yeah, so, I'm not really that upset because, you know, I was already prepared for these ducks to die, but, like, it's not like with the chick, where it's not me who caused it, I didn't know how to fix it or anything. So, yeah, but, what you gonna do? I'm gonna try and set the Wii up into my TV, because I want to play Legend of Zelda. I don't know which one I want to play, because we got 2 games, but, I don't know, let's just try and get the Wii hooked up into my TV over there first. Well, I got the Wii working, but right now all I have to do is update it, make sure it's all good, and just start playing. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I know today's video was kind of lame, but don't worry, because I got you something special for maybe today or tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. So, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Leave a like if you I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like if you did. Comment, share, subscribe, and see you all next time in Ab's Life. And remember, stay fabulous.
'Cause I get 1,000 hugs from 10,000 lightning bugs as they